Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to buy Japanese music merchandise, specifically album CDs of be it visual kei bands, Japanese rock and metal in general, or J-pop, directly from Japan using the JPfans proxy service for often more affordable prices than if you were to buy them from a Western reseller. This video is sponsored, by the way. JPfans is a proxy service for Japan-exclusive websites such as Mercari, J-Direct Items Shopping and Flea Market, and Japanese Amazon. What is a proxy service, you might ask? For example, Mercari, which is like a Japanese Vinted if you're familiar with that, does not offer shipping to overseas countries. You can only buy from it if you're in Japan. So what do you do if you don't live in Japan and want to buy something from Mercari? Here's where proxy services like JPfans come in. They act as a middleman between Mercari and you. First you pay for a product from Mercari through JPfans. JPfans orders the product to their warehouse in Japan. When it arrives at the warehouse, you pay for the shipping, and JPfans ships the product to you wherever you are in the world. Disclaimer, whenever you buy something from Japan, you need to be aware that shipping might get a bit expensive. The cost of shipping depends on the size and weight of your parcel. Thankfully, JPfans features a very easy to use shipping cost calculator on their website, which will give you an estimation of about how much you're gonna need to pay. I will show you how to use it in a moment. And if you register on JPfans through the link in my bio, you will receive 8 shipping coupons worth a total of $86. You also need to factor in other costs, such as custom duties. This all depends on the country you are in. Of course, if you are in the United States, you need to deal with tariffs and whatnot. For example, I'm in Poland, so according to the current European Union laws, I need to pay a tax that's 23% of how much the order is worth. If the parcel's value exceeds 150 euros, I also need to pay a tariff, although from what I've seen, CDs are exempted from tariffs. And I also need to pay something for the postal service for processing my package. So before you buy anything from Japan, please familiarize yourself with your country's laws regarding Japanese parcels. Proxy services obviously also have some service fees. One thing that stands out in JPfans is that they do not charge you for quality inspection photos of your products once they arrive at their warehouse. Other proxy services charge for this, and JPfans does not. They do it for completely free. Here are the examples of the inspection photos that I had received. So let's now go on the JPfans website, and I will explain to you how to use it and how to efficiently buy CDs of your favorite Japanese bands. If you prefer shopping on your smartphone, JPfans also offers you an app you can download from the Play Store and the App Store. So here we are at the JPfans website. Once you register, this is what you're gonna have in front of you. The website will be in the language of the country you're in. So I would recommend changing it to English. And I wouldn't need to change my currency because it's in the Polish currency, but I'm gonna change it to USD just so the prices make sense for you guys. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy from Mercari, because from what I've seen, it offers a lot of visual kei merch. The process is the same for all the other websites though. And by the way, the JPfans homepage offers additional Mercari product coupon with a 50% discount, as you can see here. But first of all, let me show you how to use the shipping calculator. Here you choose what country you are in. I am in Poland. Item category. I will be showing you how to buy CDs in this tutorial, but you can buy anything. So here book/CD, general cargo. Here you put the weight of the product in grams. And I will tell you that one jewel case CD weighs about 100 grams. Digipack CD is a little lighter. Since jewel cases, depending on the booklet inside of it and all that, can go up to like 120 grams, let's just play it safe and put it in as 150. So let's say I am buying just one CD, and let's calculate the cost of that. As you can see, shipping one CD to Poland from Japan will be about 14 US dollars. Well, depending on the company that will bring it to me, it can go to up to 25. But now let's say I am buying 2 CDs, so let's put it as 300. As you can see, the prices do not change. 450, let's say I'm buying 3. The prices are still the same. 600. The prices start to increase. So as you see, it's a good idea to buy more than one product so that you can have more things for the same shipping cost. Now let's go 750, prices the same as 600, 900. Yeah, so as you can see, buying 6 CDs, they would weigh about 900 grams, and these are the prices for shipping. Now let's change my location to America, for example. I know I have a lot of viewers in South America, so let's say Brazil, for example. Yeah, these are the prices. I know, Australia maybe. So, as I've said, the shipping calculator is very easy to use. So now I will show you how to search for your desired products. First of all, right here next to the search bar, change auto translate and search to direct search so that you get better results. And let's say I want to buy Dir and Gray's Ghost album. So let's just type in the search bar Dir and Gray Ghost. Hit search. And here are all the offers for it. However, I would recommend you, instead of just typing it in the search bar, go right here to Mercari, scroll down, and here select CD. And here in the keyword, type in Dir and Gray Ghost, apply. Here are all the offers, CDs only, because we selected that in the category on Mercari. And I will recommend you here in the shipping cost tab, change to shipping included. So that the prices you see are exactly the prices you are gonna pay for the product. For the sake of this tutorial, let's change from recommended order to sort by price low to high. So as you can see, you can get Dir and Gray Ghost for as low as $6.75 right here. An important thing to mention about this is that on Mercari, the products are sold by individual sellers, not by the website themselves. So this is just some private guy selling his collection of CDs. And at the product page, you get all sorts of useful information about the product. You can see that it is a used product. It might have some scratches and might be a bit dirty. Here you can see all the photos of the product. Here is a description that the seller provided for the thing. Just plop it in Google Translate, or you can actually view the you can view the translation right here. And for example, here I have a more expensive offer for the CD. You can see that the package will be insured, and there are no noticeable scratches and stains on the case and the CD, I guess. Here I have the Gazette Nil limited edition, 15 USD. I think that's a pretty fair price. No noticeable scratches and stains, meaning it's in good condition. You can see all the photos right here. For comparison, here is the same album, not limited edition, but it is in overall poor condition. So I would probably not buy this one. Here I have looked up Versailles. As you can see, great prices. You can even get 3 unopened CDs for just a little over $6. And you can get a limited edition of Jubilee for $8, which is just great. You might be wondering, what are these things right here? on the side of the jewel case. These are so-called OB strips. It's basically it's a piece of paper with some additional information about the album. Like you see here, the title, the name of the band, a CD plus DVD. An OB case is an additional indicator that the CD you are buying is authentic. Although if the album is used by the seller, it is possible that there is no OB strip because the seller might have just thrown it away. Now we will take a look at Malice Mizer. And the problem with Malice Mizer is that these sellers are aware that there is a very big interest in the band right now. So they list the CDs for more expensive prices than they should be. Keep in mind they are still not as expensive as on some Western sites, but they are still more expensive than they should be. I would be cautious about buying products that are listed like this. As you can see, it is just the album cover for a photo. The package is uninsured and the status is slightly scratched and dirty. We have the CD, we have the OB strip, no noticeable scratches and stains. This one is fine. Now, what if you cannot find an album? As you can see, I looked up Malice Mizer Baranoseido and there are no results. That's because the title is in Japanese. So here I have a Wikipedia page for the album and I will just copy the title written in Japanese and I will paste it right here. Apply. And here we have it. Another example, I searched for Yajima Mai and there are no results. So here I have a Wikipedia page. I copied the her name written in Japanese. I put it in again and here I have all the results of her. Another thing to mention, you need to be cautious of buying demo tapes. For example, Malice Mizer's demo tape that has Sadness on it, the 1th anniversary. When you see a listing for it, it is very likely that it is a fake. These are very rare. Here is ex-Japan's Blue Blood. As you can see, very, very low prices for it. And now let's take a look at Gackt. Yeah, very, very cheap. You can get a whole album for just a few dollars. And here you have a set of 5 albums for $16. Very cheap. I will add this one to cart. I will also add this one. I will not be buying them now because I have already made my order at JPfans. By the way, when it arrives, I will be filming an unboxing video, so stay tuned for that. Let's go to our cart. You can only select 10 products for a single purchase, by the way. If you want to buy more, like 15, then buy 10 and then make another purchase for the remaining 5. Here you can also get a shipping estimate. Here you can select your coupon for a cheaper shipping. As I've said, when you register on JPfans using the link in my bio, in my description or in the pinned comment, you will get 8 shipping coupons for a total of $86. Here you select you want an estimate for all of the products and let's inquire. And here are the prices for the shipping. So let's go back to cart, select all products, let's click submit. Here it will check for if all the items are still available. In my case, yes, they are. Let's continue. Let's confirm this. And here you get a total estimate for how much you will pay for the products. As you can see, the total order is worth $35. But all the fees included, the total is $45.75. For comparison, if you were to buy from a Western site, it is possible that a single CD would be worth as much as these 4 are together. Since I will not be buying them, this is where I will stop. I will not go any further. If I were to buy now, it would ask me to make a payment. After I would make a payment, JPfans would buy these products from the sellers. They would get shipped to the JPfans warehouse. Then I get the inspection photos and I get definitive price for shipping. And then when I pay the shipping price, the products will be sent to me. If you have any questions which I have not answered in this video, you can check the bottom of the JPfans website. Here you have a section with pages, for example, payment methods. You can click on that and it will tell you that you can directly pay with a debit or credit card for Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Maestro. They also support Google Pay. So I guess that's all I had to say in this video. Once my order arrives, I will film an unboxing video. Remember, register on JPfans using the link in my bio to get 8 shipping coupons for a total of $86. Thank you to JPfans for sponsoring this video. I'm very grateful. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.